Hello everyone, welcome back to my estate video. In today's video, I want to clear the air with some people thinking that you have to refer somebody in estate before you earn money. No, estate is 100% passive income platform. Okay, you do not have to refer anybody to earn money in estate because it is a fraction of your real estate that you have invested on or you have purchased that you are going to be earning profit on it on a daily basis, Mondays to Fridays. Okay, so this is 100% passive and I want to prove that to you. Okay, however, in saying that it is 100% passive, they still have the referral program. Okay, although in estate we don't call it referral program, we call it agent program. All right, so you need to become an agent and you need to be certified before you will be able to even begin to talk about real estate with anybody. Okay, for example, I have been certified by the estate platform for me to be able to tell you about estate, tell you about real estate, and tell you about everything that is happening here. And of course, I get paid for doing that, right? But that being said, ordinary person that doesn't have to become an agent can also earn 100% passive income here. Let me show you an example of what I mean. So this is my account on my estate, right? And I have purchased, quite a few properties. Okay, about 3 properties I have purchased so far. I am looking to purchase more. But yeah, you will notice that I have 3 properties that I have purchased. Okay, a fraction of it, not all the properties that I purchased, is a fraction that I've purchased. Now, if I click into the information icon here, it will give me my profit history for that particular real estate. So as you can see, from just my villa real estate, I am earning on a daily basis between $17 and $19 on a daily basis. You can see from here. Okay, right from the very first time that I purchased the property, you can see $19, $19, $19, 17, 19, 18, 19, 17. So between $17 and $19, I am earning only on this property. So because I have 3 different real estate or 3 different properties, I will be earning also on those properties. Okay, so this you are looking at right now has nothing to do with referral. This is 100% passive. Okay, so if you wish to join this platform today, the link to do so is below this video description. You have the option to select any real estate that you wish to purchase, a fraction of it, and then on my right hand side here there is a profit calculator telling you how much you are going to be earning depending on how much you want to use to purchase a fraction of that real estate. And here where it says select a property, if I click into where it says apartments MIA, it means apartments in Miami. If I click into that, it gives you a drop down and it gives you other options that you can also select. Okay, you can choose from either of these options. You can choose to purchase all of them, a fraction of each of them if you wish, or you can just choose only one and invest in that one. Okay, for example, the one that I just showed you, my daily profit earning, okay, which is 100% passive, is this villa. If you invest $3,120, you are going to be making between $17 and $19 on a daily basis, which is the one I just showed you, okay, few minutes ago in this video. So yes, you can earn passively without referring anybody. Okay, so anybody thinking that I am making my money because I am referring people, that is not true. It's not 100% true. Okay, because you can actually come in here without having to talk to your friends, without having to talk to your family members, and then boom, you will receive 100% passive income by just purchasing a fraction of either of these estates that I just showed you. If you choose to become an agent to talk to people about it, then that is fine. You will also get a bonus or commissions for doing that. But I just want to let you know that you do not have to become an agent for you to earn 100% passive. I have over 30 people right now in my team in eEstate. For out of those 30, those of them that have purchased a fraction of real estate, they are earning on a daily basis without having to refer anybody. So yes, it is 100% passive if you wish to make it 100% passive, right? So the link to join is below this video description. If you wish to join my team, you are more than welcome to use the link below this video description. As I said in all my videos, I have done step-by-step videos on how to register, how to complete your KYC, how to deposit, and how to purchase your fractional real estate. All the videos are below this video description. The links are there for you to click, watch, and learn. And then, of course, take action. Because if you don't take action, then you are not getting anywhere. If you keep watching my videos and you are not taking action, you are going to remain where you are. Right now, I am earning additional $19 on a daily basis. In fact, I am earning more than $19 because it's only one real estate that I showed you just now that I was earning $19 on a daily basis. The other two real estates that I purchased, a fraction of them, those ones are also earning me money. Okay, so yes, it is possible to get passive income in this eEstate platform 100%. Okay, you do not have to refer anybody to earn money here. That is the purpose of this video. Okay, there is a separate video for agents. If you want to become an agent to begin to recruit people, or close property deals with people, your friends and family, then go and watch that video. That is a separate video, right? So guys, thank you very much. I look forward to seeing you in my team. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and most importantly, don't forget to sign up with the link below this video description. Thank you. God bless.